The video will cover how data is migrated into the system, how users are managed, different examples of application, how the database communicates with the app, the notification about changes, and how the application can be used in offline mode. Import. The online database will display a list of all the structures. To add a structure, simply click Add New Structure and type in the appropriate data. Here you can add the structure number, select category, type, foundation type, site drawing, and line. Database managers can add a new structure type by selecting Structure Types. Add New Structure Type. To add multiple structures, the data from the drawing is populated on an Excel spreadsheet, which is then uploaded to the database. If required, our software engineers can integrate the database into the existing systems of the client. Users. Users can be added by the database manager through User, Add a New User. Each user has their own login details. Application. In this video, we will look at 4 different applications: overhead line electrification, health and safety, datum plates, PGM. Overhead line electrification. The civil engineering information is defined during the initial meetings with the client, and these headings are universal throughout the project. In this case, the necessary information includes the chainage, easting, northing, level, bearing, recos, and foundation allocation. A file of drawing can also be uploaded. To associate the data with a tag, open the mobile application. In the app, you'll see 4 options: Associate Tag, Scan Tag, Sync Project Data, Logout. First, let's look at associating a tag. For this, tap the tag with the device's NFC reader. Now you have the option to choose from all the structures stored in the database. The association process is completed instantly. To access the associated information, we scan the tag just like we did previously. The data is displayed according to exactly as it appears in the database. The drawing associated with the structure can be opened via PDF viewer. If required, the structure data can be overridden with a direct URL. When the tag is scanned, it will lead the user to this URL. Once the link is deleted, the original information will display. Health and safety. Let's associate the tag using the same process. Here, the client requested a safety bulletin, a task briefing sheet, and a work package plan. The user can view these documents with the PDF viewer on the device. Datum plates. After association with the tag, we can access structure number, chainage, horizontal offset, vertical offset, and cant. Permanent ground marker. The headings include project grid, easting, northing, elevation, chainage, and an attached witness diagram document. Changes and notification. If changes need to be made and the data is uploaded accordingly to the database, the authorized users will receive a text and email notification about the update. Issue with the installation. If the engineers on site come across a problem, they can upload a photo simply by clicking on Photo. They can either capture one or choose one from the library. As soon as the upload is done, the photo appears in the database, time and date stamped. The engineer can add a note to describe the details. The process allows the database manager to instantly assess information about the issue and follow up with appropriate notes for the drawing. Using in offline mode. If there is no reception at a certain area of the construction, the user has the option to use the database offline. The whole project is automatically synced to the device if there are fewer than 200 structures in total. If the project contains more structures, the user can select the necessary sequence. In offline mode, the association and scanning work the same way. If the user adds a photo, the photo will be time-stamped with the time when the photo was taken. Once the device is back online and the project is synced, the information can be viewed in the database. These examples are just a snapshot of the capabilities of the system.